Hello friends, welcome to Sana's kitchen. Today I'm going to make coconut chutney. So here I've added a secret ingredient to this coconut chutney. So do watch the video, and this chutney tastes like hotel chutney. So now let's see how to make it. Take a blender, add 1 cup of grated coconut. Then add small piece of ginger, 2 green chilli or as per your taste, then 4 small onion, then some salt to taste. Then here goes the secret ingredient. Add about 2 tablespoons of curd. Now grind it coarsely. So once you grind it coarsely, add a little water and grind it. Chutney should be little thick. Don't make it watery. So now blend it fine paste. So the chutney is ready. Now transfer it to a bowl. Now for the tempering, heat a pan, add 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Once oil is heated, add 1/4 teaspoon mustard seeds. Once mustard seeds gets crackled, add few curry leaves and turn off the flame. Now add the tempering to the chutney and mix it. So that's it. Coconut chutney is ready. Do give this recipe a try and do subscribe to our channel Sana's Kitchen. Thank you.